drowning me out there. Alright, let me fix that. Come here. Yeah. You? Oh yeah, there we go. That should be better. How's that? Does it sound good? Can you hear the sound of my voice? If I make it deeper, is that nice? Good, good, good. Ugh. Alright. Yeah, I should let it cure for 12 hours, blah blah blah, but I want to get this thing together. It seems cool. Go. Okay. There we go. Found it. Matte coat transforming on it. It really does. It really makes it a better resolution on that bad boy right there. There we go. It really bumps it up. No more of that shiny toy gleam or anything like that. That looks really good. I'm pleased with that. Very, very pleased with it. There we go. Had to go to bed. Have a great stream. See you soon, bud. I'm actually about to go ahead and find someone to raid because this thing is done. Time for me to take some pictures of it. I am going to be reviewing this kit. Like, that's one thing I've always tried to do with all of my reviews, is to review older kits and kits that people might not have. Kits that might not have a algae covered and rust streaked. That's a good one. I like doing reviews of older kits that haven't had good reviews in a long time. Like the Master Grade Full Cloth I did, it hadn't had a solid review in like 6 years. The Master Grade Full Armor Double Zeta, the 2001 version, hadn't been reviewed in like 12 years. Like, so that's what I'm trying to go through and give a updated look at how these things hold up to modern Gunpla. And honestly, this, everything put aside, you pay $10 for this kit, you're going to get more than $10 worth of kit if you put the love into it, and that's what I love about this. I'm going to take some pictures of it. I might pick this bad boy up later and do some more work on it. This makes me want to take all my other 0083 kits and matte coat them as well. This is too damn bright. There we go. Let's see who's on right now. Ooh, Oblique is on. Let's go, at Raid Oblique. What's she doing? Looks like she's building a kit too, or painting something. Let's go. Let's go, baby.
Oh my gosh, Thick! With the rate of 7. Hi, how are you? Folks, if you're not already following ThiccGunpla, please do. Another wonderful Gunpla streamer. Good supporter of the community, has some really chill streams. If you have not met me yet, hello. My name's Oblique. Hope you're doing well. I do Gundam kits, some Plamo. Right now we are working on the Going Merry from One Piece. We're painting it as we put it together. I also play some games. I do some drawing streams from time to time, but welcome. Yes, this is what we got so far. Thick, how was your stream? What have you been working on? Let's see. You get an existential crisis when you're about to turn 30. Then you turn 30 and don't care again. Thanks for the insight, Neon. So for folks who just came in, I'm almost gonna be 29, so it's getting a little scary. Looks great. Thanks so much. Yeah, it's kind of... We're just doing it on the fly. So... The kit originally came with a lot of stickers. So it had these. These were all black stickers that you were supposed to put along this now silver part of the ship. All these like white border stickers for the ship, windows, and then we have the choice of doing either stickers for the sails or water